This video will show you how to take people who are unengaged in your PostScript account and remove them from your PostScript account so that you are no longer paying to send them text messages. So we are in a retired account here. To create the segment, we will click Create Segment. And then in this situation, we will do it based on if someone has received over 30 text messages and clicked 0. But you can make this number anything that you want. So we're going to call this Received 30 Text, clicked 0. So the first category we are going to select is number of texts sent. Oops, here we go. And then we are going to put is greater than or equal to 30. And then we want this to be an and rule. So we're going to click Add Filter. And we will go down to subscriber has clicked, and we want this to not equal true. So this means that the person has received over 30 text messages and has not clicked any of them. So from here, we will click Save Segment. And then we will go back into, actually, we can just click here. So receive 30 text, clicked 0. This is the one we just created. We're going to click on the actual segment name. And then on the top right, we are going to click on Opt Out Segment. And what this will do is it will unsubscribe anybody who has received over 30 text messages and has clicked 0. And then confirm opt out and you're good to go.